Hey, what's going on everybody? Ryan Huggins here, and in this video we are unboxing our new Keurig machine. Alright, hey everybody, how's it going? So today, super exciting. We actually got it in the mail yesterday, but I waited just so I can make a really cool unboxing video for you guys. Thank you all for watching my channel. So we did end up going with the Keurig K-Cafe Special Edition. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and crack the box and see what we get in here. So first and foremost, thank you very much for some Keurig hot coffee coupons. So they hook you up with some discounts there. We currently use the Starbucks ones. We like those the best so far. I'm gonna go ahead and set this down here. It is gonna come with your directions on how to use it in the box. So let's check this out. Alright, so in here, more coupons. So you get the generic style coffee there. There's also a Keurig descaling solution, which actually that might be a good thing to get as well for any of you that have, like if you have a Keurig already and you're thinking about upgrading to something like this, definitely go ahead and upgrade. But don't forget to clean out your old machine. It might still be working better if you do that. So let's see here. So we got the latte maker, brew your first coffee, make your first cappuccino. So all of the instructions are in there, really cool. And they're all animated instructions, so you can see them nice and easy how to do that. So first of all, we're gonna pop it out. So this is gonna be all right, so this is going to be for warming up your milk and getting it ready for those cappuccinos. Take that out of there, and looks like it just comes fully assembled as one unit here. Let's see what we got. All right. Trying to be real careful. Obviously, I don't want to make any mistakes here. It actually is going to come off the top. There we go. And boom, check this bad boy out. Man, that is a beauty. Let's go ahead and put this up here on our stand so you can take a look at this. And so here we go. Boom. This is our new Keurig machine. So this is going to be, like I said, the Cafe. So K-Cafe is the name of this one. This is the special edition. So with this one, as you can see here, we're gonna go ahead and take this tape off. This is gonna be your water reservoir where you can store all of your water. So take these little stickers off. Trying to take them off slowly so that way you know none of the sticker residue is left over there. So this pops off as the lid, and then this whole unit, take this out of my hand. So this whole unit will actually come out. Oh, there's more tape there, sorry guys. Getting a little too excited. This thing's freaking awesome. So here we go. Let's take that off there. And boom, this comes out. So now you can take this and fill it up. If you have one of those water machines at work, or even one of those dispensers from your refrigerator, you can use this, fill it up, and then it has a little hook here. So I'll turn this around so you can take a look at this thing here. So you'll see that it has this little opening here, and this lines up in there. And you just put it on in the hole and then push down, and voila. So this tank will be full now, and then you'll put your lid on top. There we go. And now your unit, whoops, there, is ready to go. And then again, this is gonna be for making your milk, making your foam, right? So you want to foam it up for those special drinks. I don't even know what they are, because really I just drink coffee, but I do want to start getting a little more fancy with my coffee culture and things like that. So that will go there so you can cook that up. It also has a little thing here. I don't know if that goes down there or what. Oh, it goes inside. All right, so that probably goes inside there, and that'll mix up your stuff or something like that. So we'll read the instructions. This is just an unboxing. Super excited though. But let's go ahead and take a look real quick. So we got some time. So before you brew, it says plug in place. So remove packing tape, rinse and fill the water reservoir. So we've done that pretty much. Number 3 is clean the frother. Yeah, so that thing is called the frother. Remove the lid and the whisk from inside the frother. So yes, that is a whisk. So you can see this here. There you go. So you got the lid, the whisk, and the frother. That all goes in there. And this is what your top looks like. So I'll give you a top view here. And this pulls out. So here's what the top looks like. So you got all your buttons there. You got your coffee, latte, and cappuccino button, strong button. You got a 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, or 12 ounce button there. And then also the shot button. So you'll hit the power button, turns it on. You'll select coffee or latte. And then you'll select what size, and then you'll hit the K button right there, and that will actually start the brew. So there you go on that. Also down here below, as you guys were seeing, it's like an overflow tray. So if you guys have watched if you've watched my review on the K Mini, these things are actually super important to put down below. Because if you ever forget to leave a cup there and it just starts pouring out, there's no sensor to let it know, hey, there's no cup there, and it just coffee everywhere. And that actually happened to me 3 times. My girlfriend got so mad at me. She's like, how in the world can you forget to put a cup when you're making coffee? Like, how is that even a possibility? So I don't even know. I guess I got in a hurry or something like that, but that's it. We did get it in this great silver gray color. It looks phenomenal. I can't wait to put this on our countertop. And yeah, so that's it. So this is the Keurig K Cafe Special Edition. It comes fully assembled. It's ready to rock. All you gotta do is open that up. You're gonna put your K cups right inside of here. You'll go ahead and push that down, and then you'll push start, and boom, it'll be ready to rock and roll. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna go get some water, and I'm going to fill this up a little bit, and we're gonna run our first water bath through here to kind of rinse it out so you guys can see how that works. All right, so we are back. I just filled up our water container here, and what we're going to do is place it on the side. It does have that nice little shelf that it locks on. We're going to grab a cup here. We're going to turn the power to on. All right, sounds like it's sucking some water into the actual unit. So with the K-Cup Mini, or the Keurig K Mini, it would actually suck the water down per each cup that you make. This one looks like it actually sucks some water in, and it's warming up. So I think it's going to actually, so that's nice because it'll actually be able to make your cup faster because it'll already have some preheated water when you're ready to use it. All right, so now we've got that. We're gonna go ahead and hit the coffee button. Or actually, let's double check here to make sure that it's on. We're gonna open this, because this is actually how you trigger a Keurig, is you open up the lid and then you set it down. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on. Select that there. We're gonna select coffee, and we're gonna hit the K button. We'll listen to see if it starts. Oh, I gotta pick the size, sorry. Let's go with, this will be a 12-ounce cup, so we'll go ahead and select 12 ounces. Sorry, I can't see because of the sun, it's not showing, but now it is ready, so we're gonna go ahead and hit that. And that should start our brew. So we'll wait a couple minutes. I know with the Keurig K Mini, it can take about 4 minutes or so for it to actually process and suck down the water and then process it out. So I can hear it starting to work now. Yep, starting to get that bubbling noise and almost sounds like the water's boiling. I'm really excited because the Keurig company, their idea was so smart, so revolutionary with the K-Cups. And it really does help. You don't have the excess coffee that you don't need. You cook it at whatever, or you cook it. You make it at whatever size of cup that you want. And now with these newer models, you make them with any style that you want, with adding the froth and adding the steam and the milk. So it's really exciting. And again, this is the first startup and run of the unit. So we're getting a chance to see how long it would take for a brand new unit to make its first cup of coffee. So we're gonna go ahead and run several cycles of water through this first though, obviously, because we wanna make sure that it's clean. There we go. It's our first little bit of water coming out. You can see that it's steaming already. Once it's done processing the whole cup, I'll go ahead and show you. So we do use this, even though this is a coffee maker, right now it's set up to boil water as well. It can actually heat water, it doesn't have to boil it. But we use this for tea during the daytime and the evening time as well. Because what you can do is just drop your tea bag down in the bottom and then let the water run. And then it's actually, while it's filling up, it's already starting to process the tea. And then you let it sit in there for a couple minutes and boom, you've got a nice fresh cup of tea. All right, there it is. And it just told us that that is done. And there you go. So you can see the steam there coming up off the coffee. Go ahead and feel this. Oh yeah, that's nice and warm. So that's gonna be like the perfect temperature for a great cup of coffee. And that is the unboxing of the Keurig K-Cafe Special Edition. I hope you enjoyed this. If you would like to get a Keurig, there is a link down in the description to get yourself one of these, or also the K-Mini, or also some of the K-Cups. So thank you so much for supporting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe and click the all button. Talk to you later, winwithryan.com. All right, so now that we have it at our final resting place here, I did want to show you a couple of final things. So in the frother here, there's actually two lines at the bottom of the frother. As you can see, one says latte and one says cap for cappuccino. The actual frother is in there, the whisk. You'll put that in there and then you'll add whatever style of milk that you choose. We're gonna go up to latte level and we'll just put that there. Now you also have you have three options here. This one says cold, so you can do a cold foam. You have your latte option or your cappuccino option. We're gonna go ahead and select latte. And that is gonna go ahead and brew that up. Now the next thing is, right now, the water container is low, as you can see. And what you'll notice here is that it says low water, right? Or add water there. So what we're gonna do now is we are going to just top it off by lifting the lid, pour some water in there, and the signal goes out. So if for some reason you're trying to use it and it doesn't work, you'll notice that the light is no longer on. All right, so there's that. And the froth is almost done. Obviously, even though it's water, but you can see that the steam has generated. We're gonna go ahead and activate it by opening it, closing it. We're gonna select latte, and we'll select strong and start. So it is finishing the latte froth. There you go. It is pouring the latte coffee. There's a little bit of steam coming off there so you can see. All right, and then the latte is done. There you go. And then all the lights will turn off, indicating that it is finished. And now you can hear it running. It's actually keeping the water warm for the next batch. So there you go. That is the unboxing and demonstration of the Keurig Cafe.